Hello dear students, welcome back to the class 8. So in the previous video we started with a concept of distributive property over multiplication of addition and subtraction. In this video I am going to solve the exercise number 1.1. In the exercise number 1.1 I am going to solve, that is first one, using appropriate properties find. That is first question I am going to solve, and second question I am going to solve, and remaining some examples. Second one is finding the additive inverse. Additive inverse I have solved in the previous video, how to find the additive inverse, and some more examples are there in exercise 1.1 which are possible to solve, which feel you difficult to solve I am going to solve, and which are easy to solve for you. I have to leave that examples that is done by yourself. So see here, first one question, that is using appropriate properties find. That is first one, that is minus 2 by 3. Question is minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus of 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. So this is your question. So what is the question says, using appropriate properties find minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. So see here all of you, first step what I have to do, first step. So see here, minus 2 by 3 you keep as it is into 3 by 5. Okay, these two terms you keep as it is. First of all you take this one. This term you write first one, that is minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. So what I have to do, first write minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5, and then you take minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6, then you write plus 5 by 2, plus 5 by 2. Okay, so this is 5 by 2. Now see here, minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 minus of 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. So is it looks like the commutative property? So just write here, it is commutative property. Commutative property. Okay, so this I have done with your, I have written this as commutative property. Now see next step. So in this both one, for in this one only use this concept up to here. So see here, up to here what is the common thing? Here common thing you can write as minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5 you can take this as common, and just write the remaining thing. If I write the remaining thing, that is 2 by 3 minus into minus is plus of 1 by 6 plus of 5 by 2. So if I again multiply this minus 3 by 5 into 2 by 3, so minus 3 by 5 into 2 by 3, you will get again the same thing as you get in the same, that is step 1. So if you do this, you will get this, is it look like distributive property. So if you multiply this inside, again you will get the distributive property. Just you can write, this is the distributive property. Distributive property. This is the distributive property. Okay, so now minus 3 by 5 as it is. So now see 3 and 6. If I take 3 and 6, what is the LCM of 3 and 6? By seeing, now see both the numbers are in the same table. The LCM is equals to, you are getting as this 6. Again 3 2s are 6 1s are. So 2 2s are 4 plus operation as it is 1 1s are 1, which is equals to plus of 5 by 2. Now see, just try to equate this. So minus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 into 4 plus 1 is 5 by 6. Okay, so now write plus of 5 by 2. Now see, 5 and 5 get cancelled. 3 1s are 3 2s are. So what I can write here, I can write this as minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. I can write this as minus 1 by 2 and 5 by 2. So now see, 2 both the denominators contain the same numbers. So the LCM will be 2. The LCM will be 2. Again this is, you can write this as minus 1 plus 5. Minus 1 plus 5. So 5 minus 1, which is equals to 4. By seeing the greater number sign, we give 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So your answer is 2. Okay. So I hope so you understood this problem. Once again I am going to explain this. First of all, see here once again all of it, dear students. Minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. First write this minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 as it is. Then you take this last term, that is minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. Then you write the last term as plus 5 by 2. It all looks like here the commutative property. You have to write this. Next step, minus 3 by 5, remove the common. So just write the remaining, that is 2 by 3 plus of 1 by 6 plus of 5 by 2. So see here, is it looks like distributive property. Again if you multiply, you get the same numbers, same terms. So you get this distributive property. So you can write this as distributive property. So now see dear students here, minus 3 by 5 is removed common. So 3 and 6 you are getting the LCM as 6, that is 3 2s are, that is 6, and again 1 6 are 6. So see here 6 is the LCM. 2 2s are 4 plus of 1 1s are 1. Just write here minus 3 by 5 as it is into, so 4 plus 1 which is equals to 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2. So 5 both get cancelled. So 3 1s are 3 2s are. So 5 and get cancelled, 3 1s are 3 2s are. So getting minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. So both the denominators contain the same numbers. That is minus 1 plus of 5, that is 4 by 2, which is equals to 2. So I hope so you understood this is first problem. Second problem, one more problem I am going to solve from your exercise. These two examples are very important for your further future. So all of you note down, go through this video and learn the concept, how I use and how I solve the problem. One more problem I am going to solve from your exercise. That is second part of your rational numbers. That is from exercise second one. That is 2 by 5. Question is 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7. Okay, next one. Minus of 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 plus of 1 by 14 plus of 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. Okay, now see. So see here all of you, what I have to write in this step. So see here, first write this 2 by 5 as it is. 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7. Next you write that last term plus of 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. Then you write the remaining term, this last here, minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. Okay, so this step you have to write. Now see, it looks like the commutative property. So just you can write this as commutative property. So just in bracket you write this as commutative property. I just write here CA, but you have to write this as commutative property. Next see, next what you have to do, 2 by 5 is common. 2 by 5, if I remove common, remaining is minus 3 by 7 plus of 1 by 14. Okay, so 2 by 5 I take common and remaining is minus 3 by 7, again minus of, so that is minus 3 by 7 plus of 1 by 14, so into 2 by, so that is remaining is minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. So now see, it looks like this distributive property. I'll write that distributive property. Here DP, so just you have to write as distributive property as I solved in the previous example. Okay, so now see, to solve this 2 by 5, so I am going to solve this. The LCM will be 14, 7 and 14, the LCM is 14, 7 2s are 14, 1s are, so 3 2s are 6, that is minus 6 plus of 1. Okay, so getting minus 6 plus 1, so which is equals to minus of 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. So now see you are getting this as 2 by 5 into, so minus 6 plus 1 getting this as minus 5 into divided by 14, which is equals to next minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. So now see 5 get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So 1 minus, that is minus 1 by 2 you are getting this. So getting this as, I will solve here. I solve this you are getting as minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, and this one 3 1s are 3 2s are. So getting this as minus 1 by 4. Okay, so getting this as minus 1 by 4. So okay, so see here, first one 2 by 5 into minus of 5 by 14. So all this you are getting here. So after cancelling this 5 get cancelled. So again 2 1s are. So getting, sorry, this is 2 7s are. 2 1s are, 2 7s are. So getting this as, so what, a minus 1 by 7 you are getting this. Minus 1 by 7, and this you are getting as minus 1 by 4. So next step, what you have to do now? So now see, 7 4s are 28. So LCM will be 28. 7 4s are 4 7s are. So this is 4 1s are minus 4, and this is get as minus 7. 7 1s are 7. So minus 4 minus 7 will get this as minus 11 divided by 28. So this is your required answer. Okay, so see here, first of all 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 plus of 1 by 14 into 2 by 5 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. So this you have to write as commutative property. Next step, you have to split in the form of distributive property. Take 2 by 5 common. 2 by 5 minus of 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 minus of 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. This you have to write as distributive property. Next step, take this 7 and 14 LCM. 14 will be the LCM. Takes all the bracket. So 7 2s are 14, 14 1s are 14, 3 2s are minus 6, plus operation as it is, 1 1s are 1. Okay, so now see 2 by 5 as it is, this is into, remove this bracket, right, into minus 6 plus 5 will be minus 5 by 14, 5 get cancelled, 2 1s are 2, 7s are 14 are getting. So after solving, minus sign as it is, 3 1s are 3 2s are. So again getting this as minus 1 by 4. So just right here, minus 1 by 7 and minus 1 by 4 are getting. 7 and 4 LCM is 28. So after 7 and 4 the LCM is 28. So 7 4s are 28, 4 7s are 28. So 4 1s are 4 and 7 1s are 7. So minus 4 minus 7 will be equal to minus 11 divided by 28. So these two problems you have to go through this video and you have to solve completely, and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number. In the next video I am going to solve some more example which are necessary for exercise number 1.1. Just go through this video. Thank you.